This is Prince James, and I'm about to sing the freestyle song named Love. Uh, I would like one day to be in the Train of Love album by Donald Daniel. Yeah, that's the guy's my inspiration. He inspires me to sing every time, no matter how much I get, no matter how much or in what kind of emotions I have. Here's how it goes. The freestyle. Yeah, ooh, oh, yeah, hey, yeah. I see you going away, baby, just afraid. I'ma be there 2 seconds, and I'll be with you. I know that you need a company. I know that you need me. Let's justify. I'm your train of love. Ooh, the train of love is coming. And say I'm a train of love. Ooh, the train of love is coming. You're looking so good. Now, baby, I want your number. And I got the wheels, the best wheels. We gon' drive over to the wall.